Hey there superstars, welcome to For Kids Preschool channel, the place where fun meets learning. Here you can learn awesome things like cool origami, fun drawing, silly games, alphabets and phonics, numbers and counters, magical stories and so much more. So hit that subscribe button, grab your crayons and let's learn having a blast. Let the fun begin. Welcome to Learn Phonics Level 3. In this level, you're going to learn the long vowel sounds. When there is an E at the end of the word, it makes the vowel sound long. Actually, it makes it say its name. Let's first see the long A sound. The A says its name A because of the silent E. For example, first example. You see E at the end of this word. Now this E at the end of the word makes the vowel A say its name A. So this word becomes cape. Here are a few examples. Read with me. Cake, name, lake, gate, bake, tape, game, shade, brave, plate. Here are a few sentences for you to practice. I ate a big piece of cake. Repeat after me. I ate a big piece of cake. She will bake cookies with her mum. She will bake cookies with her mum. Feel free to pause the video to practice the rest of the sentences. Long E sound. This sound is less common, but there are a few words with the E sound where the A sounds like a long E. Let's see the examples. The E at the end of this word will give the vowel A the long E sound, E. So we can read this word as concrete. Concrete. Here are a few examples. Repeat after me. These, theme, concrete, complete, extreme. Let's practice a few sentences. I like the theme of this story. Repeat after me. I like the theme of the story. These shoes are new. These shoes are new. Feel free to pause the video to practice the rest of the sentences. The long I sound. The E says its name I because of the silent E at the end of the word. Let's see the examples. Now the E at the end of this word makes the vowel I say its name. So we can read this word as kite, kite. kite. Here are a few examples. Repeat after me. Bike, like, time, smile, line, drive, prize, slide, ride, kite. Let's practice reading. Repeat after me. He rode his bike down the hill. He rode his bike down the hill. I saw a red kite in the sky. I saw a red kite in the sky. Pause the video now to practice the rest of the sentences. The long O sound. The magic E at the end of the word makes the O say its name. The E at the end of this word is gonna make the vowel O say its name. So we can read this word as home. Home. Here are a few example words. Repeat after me. Home, nose, rope, stone, bone, smoke, joke, poke, hope, code. Here are a few example sentences. Repeat after me. We live in a small home. We live in a small home. His nose is red from the cold. His nose is red from the cold. Feel free to pause this video to practice the rest of the reading. The long U sound. The magic E at the end of the word makes the U say its name. You or you. Let's see an example. The E at the end of this word makes the vowel U say its name. You. So we read this word as cube. Not cub, cube. Cube. These are the example words. Repeat after me. Cube, tune, mule, flute, huge, mute, use, rude, fume, cute. Let's practice reading. She has a toy cube. Repeat after me. She has a toy cube. I like that cute puppy. I like that cute puppy. Pause the video to practice the reading. Well done, kids! Thank you for watching this video. Come back more to learn more about phonics. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, subscribe, press the like button, comment and share it with your friends.